Hello guys, now we will see what exactly the while loop in Java programming. If you have seen my previous tutorial, what is looping, what is for loop, then I hope this tutorial you can understand easily. So let's start with the video. What is while loop? So loop is used for executing block of statement repeatedly till a given condition return false. It means when the condition true, it will run body of loop. Once it is false, it will exit the body of loop. So this is our syntax, and inside while there is a condition, it may be true or false. So according to that, the features of while loop is decided. So what will be the future here? If it is true, it will run the body of while loop. If it is false, then this portion will close. Means once the condition is false, it will terminate the body of while loop. Now the flowchart of while loop with example. So this is the example, and here the condition is running first, and the condition is suppose x less than 5. So it will be either true or false. So here in that scenario, first condition is check, and as you know, it will be true or false. But if it is true, it will run the body of loop, that is system.out.println, and then for incrementation we use x plus plus. So again it will jump on the condition after the incrementation. Again it will check condition. If it is true, it will run this body, and again it will check condition after this incrementation. This process will go on, okay, continuously while the conditions are true. Once it is false, then what happen here? Once the condition is false, it will exit this loop. So here this repetition is known as the loop, because we are getting many iteration, it depend on the condition. So this continuation is known as the loop. So here the two things are important. If it is true, it will run body of while loop. If it is false, it will exit the loop. Now here this is the output of the program. Means if the condition is true, it will run this part. Suppose here we assume the value of x is 1, that is the initial value. 1 less than 5, it will print 1. Again the value is incremented by 1, so 2 less than 5, it will run 2. Again this value is incremented by 1, next value will be 3, 3 less than 5, so here it will show the value 3 here. It is incremented by 1, then next value is suppose 4, 4 less than 5, it will show the output here 4. Then next value, that is 5 here, so condition false, so loop will exit. So in this way it will work out. And now we will discuss about the important points of while loop. So here some points are there. So first point is here, while loop start with the checking condition, because in while loop the first task is to check condition. That's why it is entry control loop. Second point, once the condition is evaluated true, the body of loop is executed, and that you are already aware. Third point, normally the statement contain update value of the variable being processed for the next iteration. So for going into next iteration, we use plus plus counter that we have seen in the example, like x plus plus. When the condition become false, the loop get terminated. So these are the important points in the while loop. And here I have mentioned example to check whether the given number is Armstrong number or not. So that thing we will see in the next tutorial. So I hope friend you understood this. Thank you.